Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Fantastic that you joined me today for episode number 121, Count Unique or Create Unique List in Quantrix Modeler. I have here a very basic example. I have a list of IDs, and what I want to do is I want to know how many unique IDs I have. If I were to sort this, say I were to sort as ascending, doesn't really matter. Let's say I were to sort this, you could see that I had multiple values in here. So I want to get a unique list, or I want to get a unique count. And there's really two ways that I can get a unique count. If I want to get a unique list, what I would do is I would go to data. I'd go to data link, create data link, two-dimensional matrix. I'd have my source be where I'm pulling it from, this 2D payment matrix. My column is the kind of the source category I want. And then I'd make this a multi-dimensional OLAP analysis, create a new matrix, clear all these. And I would create ID as a category, maybe have that be ascending, click next, and go ahead and finish it out here. And then what I would do is I go ahead and add maybe another category here if I wanted, and I'd call this maybe counter here. And I would say equals pound ID. And if I were to go to the very bottom here, I would see that I have actually 85,416 unique IDs listed in this matrix. Another way that I could do this within the same matrix is go ahead and enter in a new column within this matrix. Column 8, we'll call it counter, maybe. And I would say 1 divided by select. What do I want to select? I want to select the ID row. Actually, I want to do a count. Sorry. Count select. And I want to do, what is my value list? ID row. What is my key list? ID row. What am I looking up? ID. And then what this does is it goes out and it takes the count and puts it into 1. And then what I can do is I can go ahead and I could format this here. I hope it does that kind of quick for me. And go ahead and format this. And then if I were to get a number there, I would see 85,416. It would be my count. That is the same as I have here, 85,416. So this, I would get a distinct, you can get a distinct list by using data link and taking that item into a category. And then if you want to get a count, you can add a pound counter to that. Or if you want to do it within the same matrix, you just go ahead and you put 1 divided by the count and you do a little select statement there. It is possible for you to use a count if you'd like. I wouldn't recommend that, though. That seems to really slow down performance with Quantrix. Maybe that's because Countif is so, two-dimensional, old-school spreadsheet, which is kind of a lesser program. So use the select statement, and it's pretty darn instantaneous here in Quantrix. Anyway, hope you find that useful. I absolutely love Quantrix. I want to make you a Quantrix master. So I hope you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com and ask me any questions you may have. And I hope that you'll join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.